Welcome to a journey through the latest trends in spring decor, where modern home design meets floral inspiration. From serene kitchen corners to vibrant vignettes, we'll explore how to infuse your living space with the essence of spring. A serene kitchen corner. Picture a tranquil kitchen bathed in sunlight, centered around a wooden island adorned with a large gray vase of cherry blossoms. This blend of simplicity and nature epitomizes modern spring decor. The floral tapestry. Witness art and nature merge in a living tapestry, where a bare branch displays a cascade of multicolored flowers. This bohemian piece brings vibrancy and texture to any space. Botanical elegance. Vintage botanical prints dominate this space, adding a scholarly yet stylish ambiance above a plush green sofa. It's a homage to nature's beauty and a cornerstone of spring decor. The enchanted mantle. Explore a fireplace mantle adorned with an eclectic spring display, from statuesque figures to blooming flowers. This scene blends antique charm with the freshness of spring. Vibrant vignettes. Sunny yellows and whimsical arrangements characterize this cheerful setup, showcasing how spring decor can invigorate any space with playful charm. The festive fireplace. Adorn your fireplace with a spectacular garland, bursting with spring colors and whimsical Easter eggs. This festive arrangement captures the exuberance of the season and elevates your entertaining style. Casual chic. Blend comfort and style with a woven basket and geometric lantern on a coffee table. This laid-back display invites relaxation and conversation, reflecting modern living trends. Minimalist greens. Embrace simplicity with large glass jars filled with unadorned greenery. Let the vibrant leaves take center stage in a minimalist setting that embodies modern interior design. Refined rustic. Fuse rustic elements with contemporary sophistication using a large glass bottle encircled by wooden beads. This subtle statement piece adds texture and warmth to any space. A breath of fresh air. Transform your living space with white painted bricks and an array of glass vases filled with lush greenery. Reflect the freshness of spring indoors and create a serene oasis. Woven wonders. Create tranquility with a woven tray holding a collection of spring-inspired decor. From a sleek white pot with greenery to a scented candle, embrace natural materials for a peaceful atmosphere. Rustic kitchen sophistication. Add rustic charm to your kitchen vignette with vintage wooden elements against a modern backdrop. Incorporate spring decor to create a functional yet stylish space. Floral basket display. Hang a wicker basket overflowing with tulips and peonies on a crisp white wall. This unique spring decor idea brings floral abundance into your home in a fresh and botanical way. Understated elegance. Create an understated yet elegant look with carefully chosen pieces on a minimalist console table. Let a greenery-filled vase and rustic pottery add texture and simplicity to your space. Mantelpiece medley. Display a collection of unique vessels holding springtime flowers atop a classic mantelpiece. Celebrate the contrast between old and new with delicate blooms and antique textures. Welcoming spring entryway. Welcome guests with a front door adorned with a wreath of pink buds and stone bunnies. Embrace the joy of spring decor and invite the spirit of the season into your home. Simplicity by the window. Let a single vase of white tulips by the window illuminate the arrival of spring. Embrace simplicity and serenity in a modern expression of spring decor. Modern pastel palette. Arrange minimalist floral arrangements in soft pastel vases for a modern take on spring decor. Reflect contemporary trends with clean lines and subdued colors that bring freshness to any space. Explore these diverse spring decor ideas to infuse your home with modern design and floral inspiration. From casual chic to refined rustic, let your living space reflect the vibrancy and renewal of the season.